Hello guys, good morning to all of you. Are you aware about brand name as like Yves Saint Laurent, as you say in English, right? Yves Saint Laurent as YVES or SANT as Saint and Laurent is LAURENT. But do you know that the correct pronunciation of this in French is it pronounced like this? It's Yves Saint Laurent. It's silent S, with Saints is silent T, and Laurent is silent T, and usually they don't pronounce N. As like Yves Saint Laurent. Or you say it in English, Yves Saint Laurent, or Yves Saint Laurent. And are you aware also about Nike? Usually, I'm wearing a jogging pants of Nike, t-shirts, socks, and what else? Nike pronounced, as I know before, even when I was in Israel, Taiwan, then I went to Switzerland for a temple trip, as well in Netherlands, and as well in Hong Kong and Thailand. And I'm not aware that Nike is pronounced Nike, not Nike. But in some part of Europe, they are usually say it as Nike because they were commonly used to say it Nike. But the correct pronunciation is Nike. It's like with Y, Nike. So definitely, I just learned these things in some of my friends, and actually one of our manager, our country manager, when we were in the office, says that their pronouncing about Yves Saint Laurent as like Yves Saint Laurent. So that's the correct pronunciation. Definitely, each of one of us are learning skills that we learn to others, but definitely I just sharing this one so in order for us to understand also what is the correct pronunciation of Yves or Yves Saint Laurent, or I said Yves Saint Laurent in French. Okay, and I will gonna share some of my things that I have learned also to others. But definitely we need to share our knowledge to others because knowledge is power, and we will not be ignorant in pronouncing the correct pronunciation, especially in the front. Now you know what is the correct pronunciation of Yves or Yves Saint Laurent is Yves Saint Laurent, and Nike is Nike. Thank you so much.